to Oklahoma tonight and the new ruling involving the Bible in public schools. That state now mandating teaching the Bible in schools effective immediately, calling it an indispensable historical and cultural touchstone. Here's Matt Rivers tonight.
Tonight, the top education official in Oklahoma directing all schools across the state to incorporate the Bible and the Ten Commandments into the curriculum. The new requirement for grades 5 through 12, effective immediately.
Every teacher, every classroom in the state will have a Bible in the classroom and will be teaching from the Bible in the classroom.
Oklahoma Superintendent Ryan Walters calling the Bible a necessary historical document to teach our kids about the history of this country. The move coming just days after Louisiana became the first state to require all public school classrooms to display the Ten Commandments. Texas and Utah weighing similar laws. Civil liberties groups are already suing Louisiana, arguing its new law is unconstitutional and violates the separation of church and state. Today's move by Oklahoma, they say, is part of a larger trend.
I think they are emboldened by this Supreme Court. I think the religious extremists saw the success they had with Roe versus Wade and are feeling emboldened all around the country. That is one of the reasons you're seeing this wave of Christian nationalism rising right now.
David, Oklahoma will be giving its school districts instructions on how to implement this policy for the upcoming school year, but the state superintendent says strict and immediate compliance is expected. David?
Matt Rivers in Los Angeles tonight. Matt, thank you. When we